This is the Solar S3M, a new release from a company that we don't usually hear of, DianSheng. It may look like a GAN, but it does not take away half of its salary. It is priced at 30 ringgit Malaysia at JPearly.com. Quite cheap for a GAN puzzle, I would say. Yeah, you know, GAN. Okay, not funny. Anyway, special thanks to JPearly for selecting me as one of the reviewers. If you would like to purchase any cubing related stuff, make sure to check out JPearly. Link in the description below. Before reviewing the cube, let's take a look at an unboxing footage. First off, the box is extremely hard to open. Well, it takes a while. Inside the box, we get the cube, some weird looking center pieces with tiles, a cube stand, some additional screws and springs, a screwdriver, extra core, and a pamphlet. Does anyone even read this? The cube is really shiny. It has a glossy surface with half bright color scheme. Feels kinda premium if you ask me. Out of the box, it feels dry, slow, hollow, and has a decent weight to it. The magnets are medium strength and do not interfere with the turning. Corner cutting is acceptable, a little over 45 degrees for regular cuts and line to line for reverse. The speed is a major problem for me. Turning feels a bit draggy at reasonable tensions. It would have popping issues if I loosen it more. I backed off the tensions a bit and lubed it with something speedy, but this still doesn't speed it up to the way I prefer. Lockups do happen if I turn aggressively, and corner twisting might happen in softs. This cube doesn't have any customization features. The additional springs that come with it suck. They cause the cube to be too loose, hence I wouldn't suggest swapping to it. By the way, the nuts of the original springs are unable to fit into the extra center pieces. Oh please, DianSheng. Additionally, if the screw is loosened too much, the center cap can't even attach to the center fully. I would recommend this cube to beginners who are still using a non-magnetic cube or a non-speed cube, but I think that the S3M 2020 is still the best budget option to date. It has a customizable tensioning system and costs only 18 ringgit Malaysia on JPearly.com. What more could I ask for? In conclusion, the Solar S3M is still a decent puzzle. I hope DianSheng could enhance their tensioning system and have a unique design for their future shiba trees. That's it for this review. I hope you all enjoyed it and 下次见.